This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Audri Snyder. Gorgeous home with amazing views. This 5-bedroom, 4.5-bath home has everything you need: a large kitchen with plenty of room for all your cooking/storing needs, high ceilings, beautiful new light fixtures in the kitchen and dining, and more. Through the front door, you'll walk in to see a nice foyer. Off to the right is a bright and airy office/den. There is a half bath just before the kitchen. Once you're in the kitchen, you'll see why this home is so special. The backyard views from the windows and sliding glass door are so peaceful. There is a conservation area with trails and a pond behind the house, so you don't have to worry about having a house behind you. On the far side of the kitchen, you'll find a bedroom and a bathroom, perfect for guests or someone wanting a little more privacy away from the rest of the living spaces. The dining/living room are bright and cheery with lots of space to decorate however you like and have built-in speakers, great for entertaining. Upstairs, you'll find 2 large loft/bonus room areas, 4 more bedrooms and 3 more bathrooms, including the primary. The primary is very large with a huge walk-in closet. This is a smart home where you can control your locks, doorbell camera, security system, etc. all on one app for easy access. Aside from how amazing the house is, it's in the fabulous Mirada community with a 15-acre lagoon. Talk about living the dream in an awesome community that has it all: dog parks, playgrounds, beautiful ponds and conservation areas, and the lagoon has kayaking, obstacle course, slides, a bar, food trucks, and more. There are trails within the neighborhood you can bring your golf cart, bike, or walk them. The lagoon's website is a great place to go for more info on this awesome community. This home has it all. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below.